structure of Anther and T.S.of Anther. First topic is the structure of Anther. You already studied the structure of stamen. This is the stamen, male reproductive part of the flower. Here, stamen consists anther, filament, and this is the connective. Anther, filament and connective, these are the parts of stamen. Here, diathecous anther means anther with two anther lobes is called as diathecous anther, and anther with single anther lobe is called as monothecous anther. Then we will see the T.S. of this diathecous anther. This diathecous anther show 4 pollen sac. Hence it is called as tetrasporangiate. While monothecous anther, it consists 2 pollen sac. Hence it is called as bisporangiate. This is the structure of anther. Let's see this T.S.of Anther. T.S.of Anther shows pollen sac and surrounding layers or wall layers. The outermost layer, it is called as epidermis. The second layer is endothecium. The third 2 to 3 layer middle layers are there. Then this is the pollen sac. Each pollen sac is covered by tapetum, and interior of it, if this pollen sac is immature, it show microspore mother cell which are diploid, and in mature anther pollen grains are seen which are haploid. Let's see the detailed structure. First, epidermis. It is the outermost covering of the anther. It is single layer, and as it is outermost layer, its function is protection. The second layer is endothecium. It is having a fibrous thickening made up of callus, and this endothecium, as it is hygroscopic in nature, it helps in the dehiscence of the anther. Dehiscence means breaking of the anther. After maturity, this pollen grain, they are released into the environment by breaking, and that process of breaking is called as dehiscence of anther. And this endothecium, it helps in the dehiscence of anther. Then 2 to 3 middle layers are there which surround this pollen sac. Then each pollen sac, it is covered by tapetum. What is function of this tapetum? It provides nourishment to this developing pollen grain. Second function, it also participates in the formation of the outer covering of pollen grain, which is called as exine, and which is made up of that substance called as sporopollenin, and that sporopollenin is secreted by this tapetum. Remember, this is the most important point. Tapetum secretes sporopollenin. Then this tapetal cell, they are polyploid in nature. Means their nucleus, it consists many sets of chromosomes, 3n, 4n, etc. It is polyploid in nature. Then what is speciality of this substance, that is sporopollenin? This sporopollenin, it resists biological decomposition. Means if pollen grain remain in the environment, it remain for many years, maybe 100, maybe 1000, due to this sporopollenin. It is not degraded. Then connective is seen. Immature anther show this microspore mother cell which are diploid one. You already studied the microsporogenesis, means formation of this microspore from microspore mother cell by reduction division. This is called as microsporogenesis, and this event, it happen in this pollen sac. So pollen sac, they are also called as microsporangium or microspore producing structure. Again we will say the outer layer is the epidermis. It is followed by endothecium. Endothecium followed by 2 to 3 middle layers. Then pollen sac. The covering of pollen sac, it is the tapetum. Then interior we see the microspore in mature pollen sac and microspore mother cell in immature pollen sac. Function: epidermis function, protection. Endothecium, dehiscence of anther. Then microspore mother cell, they will produce microspore after reduction division. Tapetum, two functions are there. First, to provide nourishment to this developing pollen grain, and second, secrete the sporopollenin, which is the part of the outer covering of the pollen grain, that is the enzyme. Thank you, friends.